Meet Jamie, doing a breathtaking balancing act with books, notes, and let's face it, a sprinkle of confusion. Her method? Play dartboard with ideas. Spoiler, bullseye is rare. Her table of themes? It's a Where's Waldo of concepts. Good luck, Sherlock. Enter ResearchWize. It's about to give her chaos a military-grade makeover. Now, Jamie's table isn't a mess. It's an art exhibit. Organized, coherent, comprehensible. Chaos is sorted, but her room still looks like a paper tornado hit. Get the app today at ResearchWize.com.